During the month of November, you're likely to see more men who look like this. November has become Movember, a global campaign that started in Australia in 2003.
Movember is a really fun campaign where men grow real moustaches and raise money for prostate cancer. In the UK, we are the main beneficiary charity.
Alongside raising awareness for prostate cancer, Movember promotes conversations about men's health issues.
Cancer is going to affect everyone in one way or another, so I think we should all take part in it. We never had much of the November charity running moustache thing, but this year we've seen a big rise in it.
Each participant must begin the month with a clean shave. They must follow strict rules and cannot grow additional facial hair. Every year, over 37,000 men will be diagnosed with male-specific cancer. And since the start, Movember has raised £184 million for the cause.
This as an initiative to get men talking about testicular and prostate cancer and things like that.
Talk about why you're doing Movember and don't forget about it after Movember.
Over 850,000 people were involved in Movember last year, so it seems that everybody's joining in the fun. But I guess we'll have to wait until the end of the month to see if any records are broken.